Mary, I need your help. A guest in room 204 called. He is very upset.
What happened?
He says there is a dog in his room, but he did not bring a dog.
A dog? Are you sure?
Yes, a small dog. It is under the bed.
Oh no, someone left a pet in the wrong room.
Yes, the dog was in room 206. The cleaning team moved it by mistake.
We need to fix this now. Do you have the key to room 206?
Yes, I do. But the guest in 204 is very angry. What do I say to him?
Tell him we are sorry. Offer him a free breakfast. I will take the dog back to 206.
Good idea. I will call him right now.
And John, next time check the pet policy before cleaning. Pets need a special pet tag.
You are right. I will talk to the team today.
Great. Let's fix this fast. The guest in 206 is probably worried too.
Thank you, Mary. You always know what to do.
That is our job. Let's go.